Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to set up donations on Twitch. So make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. So first, make sure you're logged into your Twitch account and then open a new tab and search for Streamlabs on Google. Click on the official site, streamlabs.com, and once you're there, click login at the top right corner of the page. So since we're setting this up for Twitch, choose the Twitch login option. And if this is your first time connecting Streamlabs, a pop-up will appear asking for authorization. So go ahead and click authorize to link your Twitch account to Streamlabs. And once you're logged in, you'll land on your Streamlabs dashboard. Set up your donation page, click your profile icon in the upper right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. And after that, you'll find your tipping page link. So in this link, this is where your viewers will use to donate to you. But before sharing the link, you need to connect a payment method. And you'll be given options to choose from. In this example, I'm using PayPal as the payment method. So just click it and a new tab will open where you'll enter your PayPal email. And after submitting that, go back to Streamlabs and your PayPal account will be linked as your donation method. And now that your donation link is ready, copy it and go back to Twitch and click on Customize Channel. Scroll down to the Social Links section and click Add Social Link. Label it something like Donate and paste your Streamlabs donation link. You can also add the link to your bio for better visibility. But don't forget to click Save Changes. And finally, refresh your Twitch channel and you'll see the donation link in both of your bio and your social links section. And now your viewers can support you with donations. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you set everything up smoothly. Thanks for watching.